y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and I am back for day 10 of May I Scrap Lift You. Today we are scrap lifting this beautiful layout by Nelia L. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but she is only at 92 subscribers, and this, she's new to me. And on Instagram, she is NelliePickles_crafts. So if you want to go check her out, like I said, she makes some amazing layouts. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I'm using up my kit that I pulled out. The Secret Garden Close to My Heart collection. And then I brought this in from, this is a title I made some time ago, and this was a bag topper on the spring swap Elizabeth sent me. So I'm going to use it on my page, and it's going to be a really quick and easy layout. These are pictures from me and Michael's 1-year anniversary, marriage anniversary, I guess I should say. We were together 6 years before we got married. And so this was us hiking to the bottom of Fall Creek Falls, the one and only time I ever did it. I was at my highest weight also, as you can see from the photo, and I thought I was gonna die because it's a pretty steep, it's not so bad going down, but coming back up the hill, like up the side of the mountain, it's a lot. So these are some photos that I took outside of our room. It backs onto the lake over there, and it was just beautiful. And this is Fall Creek Falls State Park. And then this was another picture of the lake. And this is a picture of us. I set up my camera to get some pictures of us together. I had asked someone to take that. They probably thought, yeah, we better, because this girl might not make it. It was rough, y'all. So, I'm going to put this together. It's going to be really simple. I love the clean lines of her layout, how she had her base page, and then she just has a strip here, and then she has a piece that was here. So that's what I did. I put the piece here, and then she matted her big photo, which I cut another piece of that. And then I just have a zip strip I'm going to use. I have some flowers that I fussy cut from the same paper. It all comes in different colors, so on each side of it. So it's going to be really simple, go together really quick. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. All right, that is going to be the layout. You can see it's super simple. I left myself enough space up here that I could like journal a little bit, or I could even just journal here. And I think it's pretty close to hers. So she will be linked below. Definitely go and check her out and show her some love so she can reach 100 subscribers, and check out all her other layouts. And check out what everyone else is doing with their kit this month for how to kill a kit with style. All of it is linked below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it inspired you guys. Bye, y'all.